A car accident can be a life-changing event, leaving you with major injuries and bills. At a time like this, you may wonder, is it worth hiring an attorney for a car accident? What can a lawyer do for you that you can't do on your own for free? Hello there, I'm speaking on behalf of Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. While you are certainly entitled to represent yourself for your car accident, I'd like to discuss how a skilled attorney can reduce the difficulty of pursuing a case and increase the compensation you receive. You may have a limited understanding of the law, but an accomplished lawyer has undergone extensive legal training and sharpened it through years or even decades of practice. Hiring an attorney will put that education to work for you. Your attorney will know how to establish a valid claim against everyone at fault for your car accident, as well as how to file a lawsuit if necessary. You have a narrow window of time to take legal action. Missing deadlines could prevent you from securing full economic compensation, but an attorney will make sure that all deadlines are met. If this is your first car accident, you may not be able to accurately evaluate your damages, identify everyone responsible, or gather the evidence you need. A skilled lawyer will be able to do all of those things and put together the strongest case possible against every defendant within the time permitted by law. Your attorney will then negotiate directly with the insurance company on your behalf. This may be your first car accident, but it won't be the first for an experienced insurance adjuster who may take advantage of your inexperience to minimize the value of your case. Fortunately, it also won't be the first car accident for your attorney, who will be able to negotiate with the insurance adjuster on a level playing field. Your lawyer will avoid the rookie errors that can doom a car accident claim before it has even begun, and won't let the insurance companies settle for less. Studies have shown that injured people who hire lawyers obtain settlements or judgments that are 3.5 times higher than the ones obtained by those who try to resolve cases on their own. Whatever money you save by representing yourself may pale in comparison to the money you forego by not hiring a car accident attorney. Your lawyer can get you compensation for all your losses, past, present, and future. Remember, an injury can have both short-term and long-term costs. Plaintiffs who represent themselves may accept settlements that do not include their future bills and get stuck covering them on their own. While most claims can be settled out of court, sometimes a trial is necessary because the insurance company refuses to negotiate in good faith. An adjuster may consistently come back with lowball offers in the hope that you will settle a case for far less than it is worth. Unfortunately, this strategy can pay off, so it is important to hire an attorney with a record of courtroom success who can credibly threaten to go to trial to get a larger verdict. Plaintiffs who represent themselves at trial win only about 4% of the time, but plaintiffs with attorneys are statistically more likely to win. A lawyer can compellingly present your case in court and get you the compensation you deserve. And if a trial is not decided in your favor, your attorney is best equipped to appeal the decision when the situation warrants it or respond to appeals by the defense. Serious car accidents can lead to serious debt. The bill collectors hounding you will not simply go away, even with a favorable verdict. But an attorney can keep you out of debt by resolving your creditor's claims. Your lawyer can negotiate with medical providers to reduce the amount you owe on outstanding bills. Providers will often accept a lesser payment that is fair and reasonable rather than hold out for a full payment they can never receive. This can bring the calls and collection notices to an end and keep your credit rating intact. Additionally, you may face liens from other insurance companies who paid out on your car accident, such as your personal auto and health insurance companies or your employer's workers' compensation carrier if your car accident occurred while you were on duty. Your lawyer will work to resolve these liens so that you can walk away debt-free. Call Hensley Legal Group if you are thinking about hiring an attorney for a car accident. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this information useful, please do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you are still thinking about hiring an attorney for your car accident, call Hensley Legal Group, where we have been getting justice for the everyday people of Indiana for more than 25 years.